How you doing, guys? This is part 2 of the Midea 4-ton 5-zone mini split air conditioner. We finally got it mounted on the pad. We had to pour a new pad and let it set up for a few days. So we had put in the anchors, but since the concrete's still green, we haven't torqued them down into the pad. We'll probably do that in another couple days, at least till the pad gets cured in about 2 weeks. We got the new electrical hooked up to the unit. We used 8 AWG wire hooked up to a 40 amp breaker. A couple things I forgot to mention to you guys in the first video. Since this is a 5-zone system, it's got 3 different size fittings. The first 2 zones, zone 1 and 2, are 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch flare fittings, and zones 3, 4, and 5 are 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch. So when you ordered the line sets, and I had to call the wholesaler to ask them this question, basically what they had told me is you size the line sets to the same size as the flare fittings of the interior units. So for this system, we're using 12 and 18,000 BTU indoor air handlers, which use 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch line set sizes for the flares. So since we've got 3 zones going in, we got to use one of the 3/8 outlets on the compressor. So the wholesaler told us to order a 1/2 inch line set, and this system in the box it came in has adapters that will go on the 3/8 inch outlet of the compressor and adapt it to the 1/2 inch line set to use for the interior units. So that's a good probably idea for you guys if you're looking to buy line sets for this unit, or you got to install custom line sets where, you know, a 15 or 25 or even a 50 foot won't work for you. So yeah, you size your line sets to the interior unit of the system. What else did I forget to tell you guys? The interior units hook up to this. You're going to use a 4-wire communication and power wire from the compressor to the interior units. It's 3 wires and a ground, so you need 14/4 all shielded wires. And that's about it. The unit came with mounting pads for the foot of the unit, but we decided to go with our own anti-vibration pads, which you can see the black spots under the mounting feet. Other than that, we're going to try to do startup on the unit. We got all the interior units hung. We've had a lot of rain in the past week here in Florida, so we hadn't been able to really punch holes in the walls and get them sealed up before the rain comes. Today's looking pretty good, so by the end of the day, we should have another video of the system starting up for the first time. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll have the 3rd video for you coming up.